If I lost all my coding skills today, how would I start all over from scratch? This is a question a lot of people ask me. Kazi, exactly what would you do in order to be able to become a front-end developer and do all of this in 90 days? So I sat there and spoke with my team on what would we do if I or one of the people on my team wanted to become a developer again. Exactly what would we do step by step so anyone can follow this process, not just me, follow this 90-day process and actually become a front-end developer and be good enough to be able to land a job in just 90 days. Now, this is a big, bold promise, but what I do promise you is that if you watch the training that I've put together for you below this video, you're going to learn the exact roadmap that I would use today if I lost all my coding skills and I had to start all over from scratch. And using these skills, you yourself will be able to accelerate your journey and be able to become a developer in 90 days if you follow the process and you put in the hard work. Now, these are secrets, trials, and lessons that I had to learn after a lot of failure and years of my life and spending a lot of money. And I don't want you to make those mistakes and waste a ton of money, waste years of your time, be stuck in tutorial hell, not make progress, feel frustrated, not have any idea what to do when the coding screen is blank and the cursor is blinking right in front of your eyes. I don't want you to feel any of that pain and frustration. So I put all these exact steps that I would use to become a front-end developer in just 90 days, how I would do it and how you could do it. Click the link below, just pop in your name and your email, and the training will be given to you for free. Click the button below, watch the training, and I promise it will be worth your while. I'll see you inside.